Adiyogi Divya Darshanam is a powerful video imaging show that is projected on the iconic Adiyogi, a spectacular visual treat. It also features Sadhguru narrating the story of Adiyogi and how the science of yoga was offered to human beings. This occurs every day at 7 p.m. In case of rain, this will be cancelled.
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. When his ecstasy allowed dimensions that no one had ever known or able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos. In this magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unbridled wild hair. The Saptarishis took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization. It's not of the past, but the future of humanity. To move humanity from hallucinations of ups and downs to nameless ecstasies of one's interiority.